So we are talking about questions. And you have to understand two things in this video. One is you ask the question, what time is it? And that's the short question, what time is it? Now, if you make it longer, if you say, do you know what time it is? Notice that in this case, the difference is that you don't say is it, you say it is. So the only thing that you can use only one inversion. This is an inversion. Is it? It is. You can use only one inversion, and the inversion is here. Do you know what time it is? Not what time is it, but what time it is, if it's a longer version. What do you mean? Do you? So you have to invert. What do you mean? But if it's longer, then you say, please explain what you mean. And this is not a question. This is a request. So you don't use any inversion. Next, let's imagine that these are some questions. I'm just going to put a number here very quickly. And 6, and the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And let's imagine that someone asked you these questions. How old are you? And when someone asked you this question, how old are you? You reported. Or you told someone about these questions. So you would say, she asked, or she asked me how old I was, because she asked in the past. She asked me how old I was. How old are you? She asked me, or she asked how old I was. Number 2, what do you do in your spare time? And the report is, she wanted to know what I did, because it's wanted in the past. She wanted to know what I did in my spare time. Number 3, how long have you been working in your present job? How long have you been working in your present job? And then you report, she asked me how long I had been working, because it's in the past, asked, so I had been working in my present job. Number 4, why did you apply for this job? Why did you apply? So see, this is already in the past. Why did you apply for this job? And you report, she asked me why I had applied. That's past perfect, the past of the past. There is a video lesson for that. If you want, ask your teacher. This can be better explained in the video lesson for past perfect. But it's the past of the past. She asked me in the past why I had applied in the past of the past for the job. You can also say why I applied. Number 5, can you speak any foreign language? And you report by saying she wanted to know whether, which is like if, okay, whether I could speak any foreign languages. One more example with whether. Have you got a driving license? And you report by saying, she asked me whether, or if, the same thing, I had a driving license, or I had got, the same idea.